What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in to this quick little video. Just wanted to stop in at the beginning of this one to say a little belated Happy Easter to you guys. I hope you guys had an awesome holiday. I took a little bit of time off, hang out with some family, and just to relax and actually not do something YouTube/car related. And I had some fun, but got some awesome videos coming for you this week. I had another video scheduled to come out today, but I actually threw this video today of a road trip I made with my friends Jim and Colin. I got some fun driving footage with the Touring. I've been wanting to do that ever since we redid the suspension on that car, and it turned out really fun and really funny. We even got a little bit of a race in, I guess, in Mexico, and you'll have to see how the results of that are. But footage turned out really fun, so I went ahead and threw it together, and I hope you guys enjoy. For those of you new to the channel, this is my daily driver PT Cruiser. I have two of them that are my personal cars. This is my PT GT. It's basically a stage 1 Mopar PCM car at the moment with intake exhaust. But I currently have the turbo out. As you can see, we're doing some work to it. And we're hoping to go for a more stage 2 approach with the car for this summer. But my daily driver is a 2007 NA PT Cruiser Touring. The suspension is completely redone with Moog parts like Moog control arms, Moog tie rod ends, all that kind of stuff. And Moog, Watts Link, and all that stuff in the rear. So all Moog parts, which is really awesome. Their stuff is amazing. Makes a huge difference on these cars. And it also has Tine, however you want to pronounce it, Tine suspension. It's sitting on Tine progressive rate lowering springs, and I couldn't be more happier with them. The car handles extremely well for what it is. So stay tuned to the end of the video for a little bit of an update on what's going on with the GT and Project Flip Cruiser 2.0. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Got the daily warming up, and I am sorry that the majority of this video will probably be filmed on not the best GoPro, but we got some fun stuff we're doing today. Unfortunately, I'm going to be the only person without a turbo, most likely, but I'm cruising with a couple of friends, doing a little quarantine cruise up to the city. Gotta stop at a dealership because my friend has to do something there, and it's just kind of an excuse to all rally up there and rally back. Depends on what's open and stuff, but I had some spare time today, so we are going to go have some fun, and I'm bringing the GoPro because I've been wanting to make a decent driving video in this car now that it has the suspension and everything done. So I figured now would be my chance to just kind of film some fun stuff, go cruising, and hopefully get a fun little video out for you guys from it. Oh man, here's my boy Jim. Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up, homie?
It's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been way too long. You like my sunglasses?
What's up, yeah?
Pretty cool.
Pretty pimpin'.
Yeah, I know, right? They're the only ones that fit over my glasses, so. Alright, I'm just gonna follow you because I have no clue where we're going, but.
Can you get us to 390?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, follow me there then, and then you
Yeah, then
take
once
lead.
we hit on the highway, I'll shoot past you.
We'll have to do a race. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna lose every race. Alright, let's go.
Okay, cool.
Yee. I already left Jim in my dust. He's got to catch up. That Golf is such a cool car, man. So that on-ramp is in Mexico, right? And I think it's rated for like 30, 25, something like that. And we were going a lot more than that. Probably double that, actually, but... A little bit of a racer flyby. I wasn't sure how many of us would be going today. It looks like it's only me and Jim, at least for this leg of the trip. For a while, we're gonna cruise and get toward the city, and I guess we shall see what happens. I just realized I forgot to hit the record button before we did a poll, and I did a race. I'm gonna try and see if I can get Colin to send me the footage, but Jim just gapped me in my slow piece of crap. In Mexico, of course. We just be cruising, man. We just be cruising. This car, honestly, the exhaust is a little, like a tiny bit drony. I don't know if, you know, that it's messing up the camera's audio or not enough that you can tell how drony it is, but it is a little bit drony on the highway, but it's not too bad. I think I do want to do a different muffler at some point, but I just love the crackly pops that this thing makes. We are getting off the highway, boys. We're almost to wherever we're going. I'm still not 100% sure where we're going, but I think I know the dealer that Jim has to go to. I have to ask him exactly what happened when we get there, but I think they left a piece of trim off his car when they were working on it. Such an idiot with this camera on my head. My hair is so long right now and it's just poofing out everywhere. We got Porsches here too. Pretty cool. Dang. I don't know if you guys can see anything on the camera, but that's that far away from the road, but there's some pretty cool dealerships up here in Rochester. I got some nice cars. I got Alfa Romeo or Maserati there. Pretty cool stuff. Nothing, I don't think at least there's anything like Lamborghini or McLaren or anything super exotic, but there's a lot of dealerships here. It's some pretty cool stuff. We're gonna wake them all up, bro. Oh, that's a lip. That is a bump. This isn't no ding squad, but it's gonna work for now. Customer parking. I'm technically not a customer. I'm a friend of a customer. Does that make me eligible? It's gonna have to. Alright, so we're hanging out at the dealership. Jim's splash guard was apparently not on, and they just put it on, but we found this GT86 out here. Oh, yes. Yeah, dude, what is this, a wrap or something? It looks like a wrap. That looks dope, dude.
That looks dope, doesn't it?
Yeah. Wingo. Yo, I gotta tell you, I wasn't always a fan of these, but they've grown on me a lot. And that's clean.
What is it, the 86?
Yeah, the 86. Well, it's probably like an FRS or something, but
Yeah, it's
the 86 tacking on it.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun. I got to see some new cars, got to hang out with the boys for a minute. Fortunately not for too long. I was actually thinking about having Colin ride back with me, and we were gonna go and stop and look at a PT Cruiser that's for sale near where he lives. But unfortunately I have to sign some paperwork, so I have to go stop do that, and then I might look at a car that is local to me. It's gonna be rusty, I think. So I'm probably not gonna buy it, but I might as well look at it because it's local to me. We'll see. Looks like we're gonna be hitting the road. Back on the road, baby. Is that a PT Cruiser?
Is he gonna fall back? Yeah, he's falling back.
Gonna pass the exit.
Oh! Oh, he had to get his camera, that's why.
He passed. Oh! He made the exit.
Here at the beautiful college campus to get a few pictures for the thumbnail and just for fun. I'm gonna go down by the stadium and try to get a couple too, but I think this is gonna wind down our fun little trip. Did he touch the curb?
Like a dollar bill between there.
No, I told him when to stop.
Oh.
Look at how perfect it is. I told him exactly when to stop.
Look at that gap.
Oh my god.
Look at that gap.
You need to go buy You need to go buy a lottery ticket after that one. Oh my god, this is really beautiful here, man. I see why people like it.
One eternity later.
Guys, I got gapped. It was such a fun trip. Again, shout out to my boys Jim and Colin. I miss seeing my bros. I miss all my car bros. None of the car meets have started up yet just because of everything that's been going on. And honestly, the weather has kind of sucked here, and today it's really cold out. Weather's kind of up and down in the spring, so we shall see, but hopefully soon we'll be spending more time with the bros and getting some more really fun vlogs. I am not the best at vlogging. As you could tell, I didn't get a ton of footage, but it's something I want to get better at and try to do more. Get these cars out and have some fun with them and make some cool videos this year. But just a quick little update on what's going on with the cars. I have been hunting for Project Flip Cruiser 2.0. I've been trying to find something that will work. I've been looking at a bunch of cars and I still have not found anything, but I have 2 different cars that I am in contact with people with, and I'm going to be looking at hopefully soon. And one of them is really cool, but I'm not sure if it's going to work out because there are some weird title issues and I don't want to mess with title issues, but that's basically what I've been battling, just talking back and forth every day and trying to figure out something, coordinate something. There's basically nothing around here. I have to drive pretty far to even find anything decent. Fingers crossed that this week we will be bringing home that project. That has slowed down the PTGT a little bit because I don't know how badly that is going to financially impact me when I buy that car. Depends on what I end up getting and what kind of work it needs and stuff like that. So I've been kind of just taking it easy before I buy tons and tons of parts for this car, but we still have stuff coming and still got a lot of work to do on this week, and we're gonna kind of get started on taking things apart, do our timing and a bunch of stuff like that. This Project Flip Cruiser has delayed everything a little bit, which kind of sucks, but we are back on it now, thankfully. So that's your update for now. Stay tuned for some awesome stuff and some awesome updates this week. Be sure to follow us on Instagram if you haven't already, link in the description. I post some behind the scenes kind of stuff, I guess, on my story, and update you guys a little bit more frequently there, so be sure to follow us there if you want to stay up to date. Turn on your notifications here on the videos if you want to stay up to date on the videos as well. And guys, thank you so incredibly much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. You rock. God bless you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.